and welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we will see the solution of some example on angle and its measure. It is our video part 2. Last time I uploaded the video part first on angle and its measure, the link of which is given below in the description box. The student who are not watched my last video, I request them to watch this video so that you will understand the angle and its concept, measurement of an angle. Now in this video I will solve some example, simple example on angle and its measure. So we start with part 2. Example number 1. Convert the following degree measure into radian measures. Number 1, 70 degree. Number 2, 120 minus 120 degree. Number 3, 1 by 4 degree. Now we convert this into degree measure. Number 1, 70 degree. We know that 70 degree is equal to 70 into pi upon 180 radian, and therefore this is equal to it is 0 get cancelled, 7 pi upon 18 radian. So this is converted into 7 pi into 18. Number 2, minus 120 degree. It is equal to minus 120 into pi upon 180. So 0 get cancelled, 4, 6. We can take 2, 3. So this is equal to 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 radian. Number 3, 1 by 4 degree is equal to 1 by 4 into pi upon 180 radian is equal to is pi radian upon 720, that is pi upon 720 radian. In this way we solve 3 example. We have converted the degree measure into radian measure. Second example, convert the following radian measure in the degree measure. Number 1, 7 pi by 3 radian. Number 2, minus pi by 18 radian. Number 3, 4 by 7 radian. Number 1, solution 7 pi by 3. Now in order to convert into degree measure, we multiply by 180 upon pi degree. Therefore pi get cancelled, 3 divided by 180, it is 60, it is 40 degree, 420 degree. Number 2, minus pi upon 18 radian is equal to, we multiply by 180 divided by pi degree. So pi get cancelled. Here we get minus 10 degree. Number 3, 4 by 7 radian is equal to 4 by 7 multiplied by 180 into pi. Degree is equal to 4 by 7 into 180 upon pi is 22 divided by 7. So 7 get cancelled with 7. Here 2 divided by 22 will get 11. So this is equal to 360 divided by 11 degree. So these are converted into degree. Example number 3. Express the following angles in degree, minute and second. Number 1, 74.87 degree. Number 2, minus 30.6947 degree. First is solution 74.87. Therefore, 74.87 is equal to, it is in degree, 74 degree plus 0.87 degree. Now this is a fraction part. We have to convert into minutes. So we multiply by 60 minutes is equal to 74 plus 0.87 into 60. So it is converted into minute. It is equal to 74. The multiplication of this is 52.2 minutes. So this is equal to 74 degree 52 minutes plus 0.2 minutes. Now this 0.2 is converted into second by multiplying by 60 second. 74 degree 52 minutes plus 0.2 into 60 second is equal to 74 degree 52 minutes plus 12 second. So this is equal to 74 degree 52 minutes 12 second. Number 2, minus 30.6947 degree. It is converted into minus 30 degree plus 0.6947 multiplied by 60. It is converted into minutes. So this is equal to minus 30 degree plus 41.682 minutes. So this is equal to minus 30 degree plus 41 minutes plus 0.682. It is converted into 60 second multiplied by 60 second. So this is equal to minus 30 degree 41 minutes plus 40.92 second. So it is minus 30 degree 41. Now we round this 40. We take 41, here it is minutes 41 second. So this is equal to minus 30 degree 41 minutes 41 second. So this is the answer. Example number 4. The measure of angles of the triangle are in AP. The smallest angle is 40 degree. Find the angle of a triangle in degree and in radians. Now the three measures of the angle of a triangle are given in AP. Therefore, solution: the angles of the triangle B A minus D, A and A plus D, where A is the first term, A is first term and D is a common difference. It is an AP. If we want to find the three numbers in AP, we take like this: A minus D, A plus D. Therefore, their sum is equal to a minus d plus a plus d is equal to, it is sum of all angle of a triangle which is equal to 180 degree, and therefore d minus d plus d get cancelled. 3a plus 3a is equal to 180 degree. Therefore a is equal to 60 degree. We get the values of a, which is 60 degree. Now the smallest angle is 40 degree. The smallest angle means a minus d. Since the smallest angle is 40 degree, therefore a minus d is equal to 40 degree. Since a is 60 degree, minus d is equal to 40 degree. Therefore d is equal to 20 degree. So we get the value of d, value of a. Therefore the angles of a triangles are, therefore a plus d is equal to, a is 60 degree and d is 20 degree, is equal to 80 degree. Hence the angles are 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. And angles in radian are 40 into pi upon 180 radian, 60 into pi upon 180 radian, and 80 into pi upon 180 radian. That is 2 by 9 radian, here 3, pi by 3 radian, and 4 pi by 9 radian. These are the angle in radians. These are angle in degree measure of a given triangle. Number 5. The difference between two acute angles of a right angle is 7 pi by 30 radian. Find the angles of a triangle in degree. Solution 5. Let x and y be the acute angle of a triangle in degree. So this is a right angle triangle. Here x and y, this is a right angle, 90 degree. What is given? The difference between two acute angle of a right angle is 7 pi by 30 radian. Here x minus y is equal to 7 pi upon 30 radian. We want to convert into degree. 7 pi upon 30 into 180 upon pi degree. So this is equal to, pi get cancelled, 3, it is 42 degree. Therefore x minus y is equal to 42 degree. Now next is the difference between two acute angle of a right angle is given. Find the angle of a triangle in degree. Now sum of the acute angle of a triangle is 90 degree. Therefore x plus y is equal to 90 degree. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. adding 1 and 2, we get 2x is equal to 132 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 66 degree. We get the one angle, acute angle 66 degree from equation 2. From equation 2, putting the value of x is equal to 66 plus y is equal to 90 degree. So y is equal to 90 degree minus 66 degree, it is 24 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 24 degree. So we got the values of measure of angle of a right angle triangle. Therefore, the angles of a triangle are 66 degree, 24 degree and 1 is right angle. So these are the angles of the triangle. Example number 6, it is the last number in this video. One angle of a quadrilateral is 2 pi by 9 radian and the measure of other three angles are in the ratio 3:5:8. Find their measures in degree. One angle of a quadrilateral is given 2 pi by 9 radian. In quadrilateral there are 4 angles. So the sum of the quadrilateral, the sum of the angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. One of the angle is given is 2 pi by 9 radian. So convert into degree. 2 pi upon 9 into 180 divided by pi degree. So pi get cancelled. Here it is 20. So it is 40 degree. Therefore, the sum of remaining angle, three angles in degree, the sum of remaining three angles is 360 minus 40 degree, it is 320 degree. Since these three angles are in the ratio 3:5:8. 3:5:8. Therefore, degree measure of these angles are 3K, 5K and 8K, where K is a constant. Therefore, now their sum is equal to 360 degree. We have deducted 40 angle from 360. Total sum of the total angle of a quadrilateral is 360. Subtracting one angle, we get 340. These are the three remaining angles. So 3K plus 5K plus 8K is 320 degree. That is 16K is equal to 320 degree. Therefore, K is equal to 20 degree. we get the values of k. K is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, the measure of these angles are 3k degree, 3 into 20 degree, that is 60 degree, 5k degree, 5 into 20 degree, so this is equal to 100 degree. 8 into k degree is equal to 8 into 20 degree, 160 degree. These are the angles, remaining angles in degrees. Thanking you for watching my videos. In my next video, we are going to see some more example on angle and its measure.